Alright, so briefly, I'm just going to do some word problems here. So we've been doing very basic, one-step equations. And in algebra, alright, or actually just in general life, if you want to know how much you're going to get of something, alright, but you don't know exactly what it is, but if you have some information that may help you, then you can easily solve it by an algebraic equation. So let's try a problem here, okay? Alright, so it says Lisa is cooking muffins. The recipe calls for 7 cups of sugar. She has already put in 2 cups. How many more cups does she need to put in? Okay, so this isn't too hard of a problem. Okay, so Lisa's cooking muffins, alright? So we know that to cook these muffins that she needs how many cups? She needs 7 cups. Okay? That's how much she needs, okay? Now what do we know? We know that she put in how many cups? Well, she put in 2 cups. Okay? So this is a problem where we want to know how many more cups do we need to put in more, okay? So if we know that if this recipe calls for 7 cups and we put in 2 cups, then we can solve this equation. And to do that is this. We know in one side of the equation, we know that whatever we add, it has to equal to 7 cups, okay? Alright, so that's easy enough to understand. Everything that we add has to equal to 7 cups. That's why we have 7 on one side. Okay, now what information do they give us? Well, we know that they give us that we've already put in 2 cups. So on the other side, we can put down 2. Alright, because we've already put in 2 cups. Alright, now what they want to know is how many more cups do we need to put in? Well, if we're asking sorry, it's kind of dark here. How many more cups? Alright, if this is what we're asking, we're going to make that equal to x. So anytime where you want to know how many more, or how much, alright, in a word problem, listen carefully, you make that what we call the variable. Okay? So in this case, we know that we want 7 cups. We know we've put in 2 cups. Now we want to know how many more cups we have to put in. So we have to use a variable x. So do we do 2 times x? No, in this case, what we do is we just add. So we want to know what 2 plus how many cups we need should equal 7 cups, which what the recipe calls for. So this problem isn't too hard to solve, is it now? We have to make sure that the variables on one side and then the numbers on the other side. So we have to subtract 2, right? And then whatever we do on the left, we do on the right. So x is equal to 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. So this recipe calls for 5 more cups because we've put in 2 cups. 2 plus 5 should equal 7.